Good morning students. पिले माने to develop our language skills. आमर language skills develop करिया पई आमे कोन कहितले ना it is necessary to develop our vocabulary abilities. तो एई vocabulary abilities development करिया पई आमे फर्स्ट टॉपिक रे anagram then compound word दुई ट्रिक जानि छै ना कि but in this topic we will discuss a new trick that is homophone. Now we'll discuss about homophone. So, what is homophone? Homophone. It is made of two words. Homophone. Homo means same. Phone means sound. That means same sound. Which word is having same sound? That is homophone. That means homophone is something common अच्छी और something different अच्छी. Same कौन different कौन ना same होची sound same but different कौन ना spelling different and meaning different. What two words sound same, that means pronunciation same but spelling and meaning is different. Both the words are sound same but they are different in spelling and meaning. Examples, let us see some examples. First one is sun. S-O-N sun, S-U-N sun. एबे जानी पाउछ कोन डिफरेंस अछि त भितरे नो they are having same sound but spelling is different. S-O-N sun, S-U-N sun. But meaning also different. कमती different ना S-O-N sun कौन होची ना एही देखा पिक्चर अछि जने मैन आ जने छोटो चाइल्ड. That means Arun has a son. That man कौन से लोकोडी होची लोकोडी रे पुओ होची से छोटो पिलाटी ना कि तो another example is son, S-U-N son. देखो जे पिक्चर son तो देखलो ना साउंड सेम बट स्पेलिंग डिफरेंट मीनिंग मध्य डिफरेंट ना कि देखो अरुण आमे सेंटेंस कले अरुण हैज ए सन बट सन राइजेस फ्रॉम द ईस्ट. एबे देखले गोटे एग्जांपल अनदर एग्जांपल सी सी एस ई ई सी एस ई ए सी सेम साउंड but their spelling is different. S double E then agote hele kono S E A but they are different meaning. केमती ना सी माने कोन कोन होची हमने देखिबा हला I can see that cow but S E A C C जानि छ ना पिले C meaning कोन कौन लेट्स लिखते कौन सी देखी ना he lives near the sea. तो जानले ना सी और सी भितरे साउंड से but their meaning और spelling different. तो एटा गोला सेकंड एग्जांपल. देन थर्ड एग्जांपल plane. plane same sound plane same sound but word spelling is different और meaning is different. केमती देखिबा एग्जांपल देखले रूम टी it was a plain room. देखले ना तो another one is totally different from first one. केमती ना प्लेन चित्र में देखिलो तो he went to Kashmir via plane. तो केमती जानलो ना बे दीटा को word pronunciation same but their meaning and spelling is different. Another example peace peace P-E-A-C-E peace P-I-E-C-E peace. That means Chabi's mind was in complete peace after meditation. Then peace that means piece of a object. केमती ना स्पेलिंग सॉरी सेंटेंस जाले जानि परिबो he gave me a small piece of cheese. खंड बस स्मॉल piece of cheese. तो जानले हमें कौन मीनिंग से मीनिंग और स्पेलिंग डिफरेंट प्रोनाउंसिएशन सेम. अनदर एग्जांपल 8 8 8 8 ଜାଣିଛ that is କ'ଣ ସେଇଟା 8 EIGST that is a number. He got 8 out of 10 marks in a test. Another one is 8, that is the past form of the verb eat. 8. Sanjay ate all chocolates yesterday. ଏବେ ଜାଣିଲ both the words are pronunciation same but they are different in meanings. କେତେ words हम ଦେଖିଲେ sun, plane, sea, peace, 8. ଆମେ ଦେଖିଲେ କେତେଟାର 5 ର ହୋମୋଫୋନ୍ ରେ ଏକ୍ସାମ୍ପଲ୍ ଦେଖିଲେ. now we will do କ'ଣ କରିବା ନା ଆମେ ଆମର ୱାର୍କସିଟ୍ କରିବା ଟୁ ଅଧିକା କ୍ଲିୟର ହେବା ପାଇଁ. ଓକେ, let us do our worksheet.